We are back at it again today with something special for you guys. We want you to use these AI tools so that you can start making money online. We're going to explore a brand new AI video creator tool today. There are 3 chapters in this video. I'll show you how to use Chat GPT prompts to produce a video with a 3D talking avatar. In Chapter 2, I'll show off different avatars, and in Chapter 3 with various languages and national backgrounds. Welcome to That AI Ninja, the channel where we show you how to earn easy money by using the latest AI technology. Consider watching this video, subscribing, and pressing the notification button to be alerted when new and popular money-making techniques are posted. Please share your thoughts in the comments area. So, would you kindly let me know which avatar model you prefer? We will communicate with an AI human in the last chapter by asking questions during a chat session. So let's begin immediately. Chapter 1. The new AI video maker tool that we are going to use today is called aistudios.com.now. As you can see here, it says AI Studios. Instantly create AI-generated videos using basic text. Generate realistic AI videos quickly and easily. Simply prepare your script and use our text-to-speech feature to receive your first AI video in 5 minutes or less. Deep Brain AI Video Creation. Use custom-made AI avatar that best fits your brand intuitive tool that's super easy to use for beginners, time-saving in video preparation, filming and editing, cost-saving in the entire video production process. Automatically create your content simply by uploading a PPT file. Once you upload a PPT file, a video is automatically created. You gain access to a high-quality video that can be used as course material, totally hassle-free. Various templates to start from. If creating a new one is difficult, you can use the created layout. Use templates instead of complex and difficult designs. Hassle-free one-click subtitle generation and automatic subtitle generation based on the entered script. More detailed manual editing is available as well. Now let's create our AI video by using this free tool. Chapter 2, let's dive into the steps. Step 1, to get a free trial edition of AI Studio, sign up using the link in the description of this video. You can sign up by email or with your Google account. Step 2, after completing the registration procedure, select Create a Free Video from the drop-down selection or log into your dashboard. To begin creating a video using Chat GPT assistance, click the Chat GPT icon. Step 3, enter the command or prompt you want. In this video, I asked Chat GPT to create a video about how to become more productive. Choose your preferred template, then click Create your video with Chat GPT to begin making your work, and then wait for the process to be finished. Step 4, you can start rendering your video after the generating process is finished, or you can modify it to suit your needs. Changes can be made to the avatar. You can also, if necessary, add background music to your film. This technology is truly incredible. After adding the music to your film, you can add the avatar voice and style, object location, or background, utilizing stock pictures or video assets. Step 5. Once everything is set up, select the video option when you click the export button. Hold off until the rendering is finished. Here is an illustration of the video output.
To become more productive, you should start each day with a plan. Make a list of tasks and prioritize them. This will help you stay organized and focused throughout the day. Distractions can be a major obstacle to productivity. To become more productive, remove any potential distractions. This can be as simple as turning off your phone or closing unnecessary tabs on your computer.
Working for long periods of time without breaks can actually decrease productivity. Taking short breaks can help you stay energized and focused. Consider taking a 5-10 minute break every hour or so.
Trying to do too many things at once can be overwhelming and actually lower productivity. To become more productive, focus on one task at a time. Finish that task before moving on to the next one.
Chapter 3. Let's hear some greetings from AI avatars with various languages and national backgrounds, and we will communicate with an AI
Greetings
human.
vary from country to country. For example, in France, they say bonjour, while in Japan, they say konnichiwa. Learning about these different greetings can help you connect and communicate with people from different cultures.
Chinese greetings are different from Western greetings. The most common greeting is Ni Hao, which means hello. You can also greet someone with Zhao Shang Hao for good morning, Wan Shang Hao for good evening, and Zhe Hu Hao for good afternoon. Arabic greetings are central to Arabic culture. The most common is Assalamu alaikum, which means peace be upon you. The response is what alaikum assalam, which means and upon you be peace. Other common greetings include Sabah al-Khair for good morning, Masa al-Khair for good evening, and Marhaban for welcome.
안녕하세요. 저는 어시스턴트입니다. 한국어 인사드립니다. 만나서 반갑습니다.
Guten Tag und herzlich willkommen. Wie geht es Ihnen heute? Ich hoffe, dass Sie sich sehr wohl und entspannt fühlen. Ich bin froh, dass Sie hier sind und freue mich darauf, Ihnen bei allem zu helfen, was Sie brauchen. Bitte zögern Sie nicht, mich zu kontaktieren, falls Sie irgendwelche Fragen haben oder Unterstützung benötigen. Vielen Dank für Ihr Interesse und ich wünsche Ihnen einen wunderbaren Tag.
Hallo, hoe gaat het met jou? Het is fijn om je weer te zien, te spreken. Wat heb je allemaal gedaan sinds we elkaar voor het laatst hebben gezien? Het lijkt alweer zo lang geleden. Laten we snel bijpraten onder het genot van een kopje koffie thee.
Hej och välkommen! Det är en glädje att ha dig här. Hoppas du trivs och njuter av din vistelse.
Namaste, Ayubowan, Sat Shri Akal, Vanakkam, Namaskar, Sat Shrakal, Jaya Shri Krishna, as Salamu Alaikum, Hari Om, Pranam, Shubh Prabhat, Subha Sakal, Jaya Janendra, Khush indeed, Jaya Shri Ram, Adab, Sabah Al-Khaya, Ram Ram, Keman Ako, Sabai Bhalo Ek, Dhanyavad, Jai Mata Di, Jaya Hanuman, Eid Mubarak, Happy Diwali, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Magandang araw po, sa ngalan ng aking mga kapwa Filipino, ako po'y taos-puso na bumabati sa inyong lahat ng isang masiglang pagbati at kasiglahan. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa pagkakataong ibinigay ninyo sa amin upang maipakita ang aming pagmamahal sa ating bansa at lahi. Sana po ay maghatid ito ng kagalakan at kabutihan sa inyong araw. Mabuhay po kayo!
こんにちは、お元気ですか？私は AI のアシスタントです。日本語でお話しくだ。
您好，祝您身体健康，心情愉快，感谢您来到这里。我是您的助手，有什么可以帮您的吗？
Kia ora e na rangadira tena kodo kadoa. Ko o tene ide vegabo kaha ki de mihi ki e kodo ai tene yahirai mi de parira hogi. No mai harir mai ki de wo o de tengada. Kia vekadina nasha tene wa kode aroha kode managi mi de wo ningadana. Tena kodo kadoa.
Our goal is to keep you up to date with the latest breakthroughs and trends in the field of AI. We believe that the future is bright with the potential of AI to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. And as always, we welcome your feedback and suggestions for future topics. See you in the next video.